So the Augusta Rule, since before we started recording, we were talking a little bit about golf. You said you were watching golf. So when you say the Augusta Rule, I think, oh, he must be talking about something to do with golf. Why
Yep.
do I think
Well,
that?
yeah, the Augusta Rule was kind of rooted in the Masters, people renting their houses for the event here. The Augusta Rule is a kind of a tool or like tax strategy that you can employ. If you own a house and you own a business, you can actually rent the house to your business for a period of 14 days. And for that 14 days, if you charge your business rental income, you don't have to claim that as income as the individual. The business can take the deduction, but you don't have to claim the income. And so in order to accomplish this, you have to do it for a valid business event. Maybe you have a staff meeting, client meetings, or some sort of party or event there. And you have to charge a rate that is in line with rates are for maybe a hotel or whatever you'd rent to have that type of an event there, or whatever party you might do. Just a little trick that was out there that helps you kind of take advantage of some rules, some loopholes, if you will, in the tax laws. Allows you to get a little bit of income from the business tax free and get the expense.
Okay, so like an example would be if you hosted, I don't know, you own your own business, you host a retreat for your employees at your house, and some of them are from out of state, and you decide, well, hey, you guys can stay at my place instead of getting hotel rooms.
That's right. That's exactly right. And same thing for the event. Like if you were to
Mhm.
rent a conference room for the day and have, the event, what would the hotel charge you for that conference center rate? And so that's what you can charge yourself and take as income through the Augusta Rule.
That's a
We as tax planners and strategists look for these little tricks that are available to us through the various loopholes that there are, if you will, and we try to set them up in such a way that allow you to take advantage of them as a business owner and get the deductions and save a little bit of money on taxes.